Introducing itel p55 5G smartphone. It is available in Galaxy Blue and Mint Green color variants. The smartphone has 6GB RAM, can be expanded up to 12GB RAM with memory fusion and 128GB internal storage. It is powered by powerful 5G with NRCA and Dimensity 6080. Designed with integrated even a chat GPT assistant for your convenience. Binge through your favorite entertainment on the large 6.6-inch HD plus IPS display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Capture your moments with a 50-megapixel AI dual camera and 8-megapixel front camera for more realistic details. Enjoy long-lasting battery life with a 5000 mAh battery. The box includes handset, phone case, power adapter, SIM tray ejector and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.